All right, so I'm going to try to make this video on how to remove the power steering pump pulley off of a Ford 4.6 or 5.4. I know this style pulley or this style pump is on a lot of different vehicles. So first of all, you want to get it mounted in a vise. Now it is kind of an odd shape and I don't have a large vise, so but you're going to have to secure it some way somehow. Next, you're going to want to have a piece of pipe or something as like a positive stop so that this thing doesn't wiggle around on you. And then you need a puller kit like this. I got this from an auto parts store. If you're going to buy one of these kits, definitely buy a better quality one because you are putting a lot of torque on this thing. So if you're going to buy, you know, the cheapest one on the market, it may not, you know, really last very long for you. It might be a kind of a one-time tool and you're done. You know what I mean? So anyway, once you have this thing secured here, you're going to want to use this pulley, this tool first. And you have a set of collars or jaws, and they're slightly different on either side. And you're going to want to get it to where you have the most amount of like engagement with this lip here. So, you know, whichever side fits on there better for you, that's the side you want to go with. And what that's going to do is, the way this operates is this collar's grabbing onto this collar here is grabbing onto the outside of this. And as you tighten the center nut here, it's going to pull it off. So this screw is pushing in on the center, and then these little jaws are pulling the little flywheel off. So you're going to want to get these on there. Let's see here. There we go. So you want to get them on there like so. Get this in there so it's nice and secure. And then you're going to have this ring which goes over the top here, and it just secures it. And then you're just going to want to start it by hand just to get it nice and snug. Now this one happens to be a 17 millimeter, so you just want to get it started like so. Now these are really torqued on there, and that's what I'm saying. If you buy a cheap kit, you're gonna end up stripping stuff out. This kit from the auto parts store already has a busted off screw, so it's probably not the highest quality kit. Anyway, this happens to be a 17 millimeter. If you don't have an impact, you're gonna need a breaker bar or a piece of pipe, because this is really gonna take a lot of torque. So anyway, I happen to have a torque, impact gun, and I'm gonna tighten this down a little bit more in the vise here, and then give it a rip. And you see what I'm saying? You need to have something that's a positive stop, otherwise it's just gonna fly apart. Let's see here. Let's try from the other side here. And of course, I had it going in the wrong direction, so there's that. Let's try that again. Make sure I'm going in the forward direction here. Nice, see what I'm talking about here. And there you go. That's the redneck way to do it. And keep in mind, this thing's gonna leak, so put something underneath it.